Gwen, you will have more classes with us starting next week. You've taken your SAT exam on your own without studying at all, and you had like 1,175. After only 2 months with us in Inglés Garantizado, you're up to 1,300. Just give me 3 more weeks and I will have you over 1,500. You will get into Harvard. I don't know if you'll get a scholarship, because so many people who apply to Harvard have perfect SAT scores, okay? But I will get you into Harvard, okay? We'll go to have a few more classes next week, and that'll do it, okay? Your progress is really good. Most of our students are getting 1520s, which is more or less you can get into Harvard or Yale, MIT. That represents less than 1/10% of 1/10 of 1% of the whole population. Anyway, the book is right there, and when you finish it, you'll return it to me, and you won't have to pay for the book. I'm happy to get the letter from your mom and dad that they're happy with our service, and I know that we teach you by Skype, although you live in Chicago, and you have plenty of teachers right there, especially in your very private high school. And you also have academies where you live from Khan and Princeton and others. And we do a better job, and we are by Skype. And I'm not going to say although we're on Skype, because although would mean it's a negative that now is a positive. There's nothing negative about Skype. You know that you have more flexibility with us. The price is better. The quality is better. And by internet, we have an opportunity to give you, if you have a good Wi-Fi, the same as being there. Everything is prepared beforehand, and the spontaneity during the class we have on the blackboard. There's really no need to have a private teacher in your house or go to an academy or even do it in your school. We can have the class on Saturday. No, we don't do groups, okay? Even if the two of you have the same level at now and the same velocity of learning, I will not accept a group. It's more money for me, but it's bullshit for you. You won't get what you want. We're very serious about this, okay? So stop, jerking us off here. Private classes is the only thing we do. You're 18, I can talk to you like an adult. You want to get into Harvard, you want to get a good score on the SAT score, cut the crap. Private classes, they're not cheap, but we'll give you what you need, okay? You can get in touch with me at Levi Hello again if you're interested on Skype. There's no problem there. Or catch me on the phone at that number up there. It's in where I live, okay? I'm not in your city. I'm meeting you by Skype. I have students who live in Bolivia, in Madrid, in Los Angeles, Coral Springs, Florida, Staten Island, New Jersey, Tampa, Florida, Flagstaff, Arizona, Tel Aviv, Israel, Tokyo, El Cairo. Everybody wants to get into Harvard. Everyone's looking for a good SAT teacher who can explain math, who can explain reading, and who can explain writing. Writing, I'm an expert on it because that's my original profession, And the math, I explain it to you in simple terms because on the SAT, before you pick up your pencil, you can probably just look at the problem, you already know it, and eliminate 2 of the 5 choices. Okay, and now the other 3, at that point, it's pretty easy to get the answer. Everyone gets the right answer to the SAT math, but they run out of time. The trick is to get the right answer more quickly by seeing that it's a trick. Okay, and that is what I think worked for you because you have that enormous increase in your SAT score. Okay, that's what we offer you that nobody else is going to offer you. Okay, get in touch with me if you want at Levi Hello on Skype.